Wanyanara. Hi, I'm Tasha. I'm an Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander child senior practitioner with the Benevolent Society. We are the partners in the community with the NDIS for children 0 to 7 in the ECEI program. Today I would like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land in which we meet today. So I'm a Kamilaroi woman, but today I stand on the land of the Gubbi Gubbi people. I would like to pay my respects to the elders, past, present and emerging, and I would also like to pay my respects to their continuous connection to the land, the waters and community.
G'day little mates, my name's Jamie.
Hey everyone, my name's Alana and today we're going to show you how to make an awesome dream catcher.
Let's see what we've got in our packs. You'll need one plate and it's already got attached a really long piece of wool. You'll also need a medium length one,
Awesome.
2 short ones, 3 feathers, and there'll be some stickers. Now that we've got everything, let's have a look at this plate. It's got some numbers on it, and what we're going to do is follow the numbers to make a really awesome design. So let's tie a little knot in the end so that you can poke it through easy, and we'll do some threading together.
Awesome, sounds great. I've just gone to number 2.
Oop. Number 2.
And then we're going to go up and across to number 3.
Number 3, wait for me.
Awesome.
And then up to 4, knock on the door.
Get through. Number 4.
Down to 5. Snakes alive.
Can be a bit tricky.
Oh,
Put it through here.
I've got it, I think.
5.
Now we're going to go back up to number 1 and poke it through that first hole where we started.
Through there. Wow, look at that, we made a star. Awesome.
Wow, that looks so cool.
Hey Jamie, guess what?
What's up, mate?
Did you know that dream catchers were originally made by the Native American Indians?
Wow, I do now.
Oh.
So are you ready to stick the rest of it on? We've got another 3 little holes here that's got an S, an M and another S. So that is for our medium one and our 2 short ones. Let's stick the medium one on first.
Okay.
We're just going to poke it through the hole.
Behind there. Just going to make another knot.
Oh, that's a good idea, Lana. I will make another knot so it stays in place at the back.
This one.
There we go. Okay, so to stick the feathers on, there's a little piece of macaroni right down the very bottom on one of your pieces of wool. What we're going to do is we're going to slide the macaroni up, grab one of our feathers and poke it through the knot or the wool, just like so. Then we can slide the macaroni back down and it's going to hold our little feather on the string in place.
What a good idea. Mine's a little bit hard to get on. Perfect. All done. Okay.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and do the next 2 on the sides, the same. Tie my little knot for the back. I stick my tongue out when I'm concentrating.
I have a perfect concentration.
Well, good for you.
Awesome, that looks good.
And now our macaroni again. Slide him up. Poke him through.
Oh, this one's a bit tricky too.
Yeah, some of them are a bit tricky.
There you go.
And I'm a pro.
Awesome. Go.
So that's 2. Now stick the last one on.
I'm going to go ahead and put through. And then I've only got one last feather to go. How are you doing it? Oh, that looks awesome.
Yeah, we're almost done. So tell me a little bit more about those Dreamcatchers and the Native Americans, Lana, while we do this last one.
So Native Americans actually believe that dream catchers really catch dreams. So the dreams go through the center here and they slide gently down here over the top of the person sleeping to give them happy dreams.
Wow, that's really cool. And hey, we're almost finished.
We are. How awesome is that?
Just got this last one. Poke it through. Slide the pasta back down.
Wow.
Oh, doesn't want to go on.
Good job.
Ta-da!
Amazing.
Now we just need to decorate them. So I'm going to grab out my little stickers that I had in my pack, and I think that I'm going to stick my stickers over the top of my numbers so you don't see them.
I might do that too, Jamie. That's a great idea. We'll go on number 1. We'll go silver.
Oh, I was doing silver.
Oh, great minds think alike. So number 2, I'm going to go gold.
I'm just going to do mine different just so that it's special.
Number 3 can be green. Number 4, blue.
So what else could we use to decorate these if we didn't have the stickers?
You know what? I think you could use felt pens, glitter glue, leaves, some flowers, anything you have around the house really.
Leaves and flowers sound awesome.
Yeah, I might stick a few more on. Got some extras left.
Can I have one?
Sure can. There you go.
Sharing. Oh my God, they look amazing. I love your colours.
I love your colours too, Jamie. Hey guys, don't forget to take a picture and upload it onto the event page. If you're not too sure how to, ask a safe person to help you.
We can't wait to see what you guys have done at home. They look amazing. Catch you later, little buddies.
No, Jamie. Dream catch you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.